Now we'll do another new letter, a very interesting letter. Letter E. E. All show me your teeth. E. Ah, that's it. E. E is very easy. A straight line. Then you have another line, and another line. That is the big letter. Down, then the top, middle, and this. Letter E. And the small letter goes like this. That is from here. Write down one single without taking your hand. So you have E. Big letter, small letter. And the sound is A. You show your teeth E, but the sound is A. Mama fries eggs for you. Remember that. Eggs. Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Crack the egg like this. When mama cracks the egg, what's the sound? Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Crack the egg like this. You got the sound? The letter sound is got A. Now you have words like, give me some. Egg. Eagle. Egg. Letter 8. Very good. Then elephant. Oh, elephant. Engine. Coo, engine. Very good. You have letter E. Big letter, small letter. A. The sound is A. Egg, eagle, 8, elephant, engine. Did you learn the sound?